Today I'm going to be installing a Whirlpool dishwasher. The new Whirlpool dishwasher comes with the drain hose and mounting hardware. Before I install the new dishwasher, I have to remove the old dishwasher. Remove the power cord supplying the old dishwasher. Locate the water supply line shutoff valve and shut down on the shutoff valve. Remove the water supply line slowly. Remember, not all shutoff valves will always work. This is why you want to do it slowly, just in case there's any pressure behind that water line. You can see here that this shutoff valve isn't all the way shut, so I just placed a bucket under that while it trickles down. Next, I need to find the drain hose where the dishwasher water drains. This one goes into a garbage disposal, but first it goes up into an air gap. Locate the mounting screws for the old dishwasher. They'll either be on the side or the top. These ones are on the top of the dishwasher, drilled into a wood beam. Now we should be able to remove the old dishwasher. You may have to make an adjustment to the dishwasher legs to get it out. The new dishwasher doesn't come with the power cord, so I will be using the old one off of the old dishwasher. Here's a water supply line kit that did not come with the new dishwasher. The new dishwasher is upside down. I'm removing this front panel so that I can access the electrical connection box. This is where I will be hooking up the incoming 120 volt power supply. Installing a strain relief. Twist the neutral wires together with a wire nut. Twist the hot wires together. Hook up the ground wire. Reattach the box cover. Here's my new Dishwasher 90. Make sure that the seal is in there. Get the 90 on there hand tight. You don't want to over tighten this. I like to get it about half turn past hand tight with a pair of pliers. Hook up the water supply line to the Dishwasher 90. And then tighten it down fairly snug with a pair of pliers. Next, I'm going to move the dishwasher inside and hook up the drain hose. I'm going to pick the smaller of the two clamps provided. Then I'm going to slide the dishwasher hose together and make sure that that rib line goes all the way to the top of the black part of the rubber. Then use a pair of pliers and slide the clamp over to the part that is marked clamp. Make sure it is nice and flush. Route the wires and hoses in the middle of the dishwasher. You don't want them coming out of the sides. Reattach the insulation blanket. I'm going to be using the top mount option for this dishwasher. So you just slide these clips in and then bend the tab up so they don't come out. If you're happy with the dishwasher height, you can go ahead and slide the dishwasher in now. If you need to make a change to the height, go ahead and do so on the front legs. I like to keep the back legs all the way up unless the additional height is needed. In this case, it wasn't. Before I mount this dishwasher to the countertop, I want to make sure that the door closes without hitting anything. I had to make a slight adjustment as it was rubbing against the cabinet. Once the door closes without rubbing, I can secure it. Pull the water supply line to the water shutoff valve. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. I will be installing this drain hose to the air gap that is already installed. Plug in the power to the dishwasher. This one has a handle. The handle is secured by tightening these Allen screws. Don't do what I did. Make sure that you remove the plastic film from the dishwasher before putting this on. It just makes it easier. Now, before I walk away, I have to test the functionality of the dishwasher, the filling, the draining, make sure that there is no leaks. Everything sounds good. There are no leaks. Now I just have to put this front cover back on. And last but not least, I want to test the drain cycle before walking away from this job. Thanks so much for watching. My name's Dave. This fix is done.